So hi guys, how are you doing? Very good morning all of you my dear friend, dear listener and who used to watch my video and who are new on this channel. Please support me and share this video in your friend circle. Today I am going to tell you about more information how to go ahead, how to develop your English education skills. So yes, if you want to good communication with your friend circle in your office, then you must know this English language because this is a skill and without this skill you can't get respect in society. One who has more knowledge respected by in our society because this is the language, it's not our mother tongue, and that's why in every office, every step of your life, you meet this language and you have to aware of this language. So why we should and how can we learn this language? So practice is the only way, and if you are just learning this language by translation method, so that was old old, that was just old system, and that system take a long time. That's why you listen more and more and practice and repeat the sentence more and more, then you can learn this language. Without this practice it's not possible for you to learn this language. Another point I want to tell you that you must have desire. Without desire you can't learn this language. Desire is the thing where you start. Desire is the thing from where you encourage yourself and you learn this language. Another point I would like to share you that everywhere is problem, and as you know, problem is not permanent, but our life is permanent. That's why you don't show and don't just worry to think about your problem. when Whenever your life is exist on the earth, problem will remain with you. Without problem there is no any person exist on the earth. Even small and tiny creatures also face this problem. Another thing I would like to tell you that you must have no motivation, so try to motivate yourself. There is no any person who motivate you. So motivation comes up through your desire. So just start arrange your desire so that you can develop your skill. Another point which you must know, attitude. So attitude is just like a thing, how we will do the things on right way. Without attitude you don't develop this skill. So attitude, it comes in your life, in your skill, slowly gradually. And apart from another thing which you must know, you try to learn 5 words every day and you make sentence how to speak day to day life. Because when you start these things and you become fluent in English and you speak also mirror practice. Initial time I was also very hesitant to speak in front of people, but now I am able to speak. Now I am able to communicate with people, but sometimes you feel hesitation, so you give up your hesitation because hesitation is just like obstacle, and you have to come overcome on this, and there is no any shortcut things by which you can learn this language. So just start your practicing. Practice perfect the man perfect, but you don't run after your perfection. Perfection will come gradually and it never come at a tandem. And along with other thing also, everybody want to perfect, but you know that perfection comes slowly. And if you are thinking that when I perfect When I perfect, then I will speak with, and then I will communicate with other person. So just you just try to give up this type of thought, because perfection will never comes at a tandem. You try to perfect, but you don't run after the perfection, because there is no any creatures on the earth who are 100% perfect. Yeah, some of them also motivate you while you speaking, but you don't try to you don't try to give up the things. Yes, as you know that mistakes are a part of life. When you do the things for first time, it may be possible for you and for every person. Sometimes you make mistake, but you know, when you mistakes, learn the things right way, and when you try and when you learn the things from mistakes, so mistakes are just part of learning part, and there is no shortcut for this perfection. So thank you for watching my video, and be continue with me, support me, and as you know, without supporting I can't go ahead. So it just motivate me, and you like and subscribe and share this video in your friend circle. So I also want to like this. Thank you for watching this video.